Hello, boys and girls. It's Mr. Polson, and I am trying this new video taping format. So let's see if it works. I'm using my iPad. On week 2 for our distance learning, boys and girls, there is our spelling list, and our spelling list all has some special, all the words on our spelling list, there's some special words in there, and I wanted to go through the phonics concept for this week. Now, we're over here at the pocket chart where we usually are in the afternoons, about 12:15 for our phonics lesson every Monday. And the thing I want to show you today is on your spelling list, like I said, there's some special words. Now, the thing that makes these words special is most of the time when we talk about silent letters, we talk about silent vowels, like the magic E at the end of a word is silent. And there's lots of times when two vowels are walking, the first one does the talking, that second vowel is silent. But today we're going to talk about silent consonants. And what we have here is we have some words that have silent consonants in them. For instance, here's a picture of a stop sign. Now the word sign is actually spelled S-I-G-N. And in the word sign, the G, which is a consonant, is silent. So if you say this, sign, you don't actually hear that G. It's a silent consonant. Over here, boys and girls, we have the word wrench. And in the word wrench, we see a W at the beginning. But when you say the word wrench, you don't hear that W. You hear an R sound at the beginning. So W is a silent consonant at the beginning of the word wrench. Our next word, boys and girls, is the word knight. Now, this is the type of knight that used to fight dragons during medieval times. It's this type of knight, a knight in shining armor. It's not the kind of knight when you go to bed. That's N-I-G-H-T. So this is a special word, boys and girls, because again, it has a silent consonant. It's n. When you say the word night, you hear that n, that N sound. You don't hear the K, so the K is silent. Night. So even though it's spelled differently, it sounds just like the type of night that we have when you go to bed. So basically, this word is a homophone with the other word, night. So night has got a silent K at the beginning. And then this word, boys and girls, here's a picture of a comb. When you say comb, you don't hear this B at the end, comb. Even though it ends with the M consonant sound, there's actually a B that's silent. So lots of words, well, not lots of words, but your spelling words this week, boys and girls, all have that silent consonant in them. So if your word has an sound at the beginning, on your spelling list this week, there's going to be a W before that R. Even though you only hear the there's a W there. If you have an at maybe the end of your word, like the word sign, don't forget that silent consonant G. If your word starts with an sound on your spelling list this week, don't forget that silent K. And if your word has an sound at the end, don't forget that silent B. All right, so boys and girls, remember, sometimes when you're reading a word or when you're writing a word, you have to think, is there a silent consonant? It doesn't happen in a lot of words, but there are some words that have that silent consonant. Okay, have a good day, everybody.